Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey mustard dressing for salad. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. Start with 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of honey for that classic sweet and tangy base. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, a small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will round out the flavors perfectly. Now, let's combine our ingredients to create that delicious dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar until smooth. Next, slowly drizzle in the 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps the dressing emulsify, creating a creamy, uniform texture that clings beautifully to your salad greens. One of the best parts about making your own dressing is the ability to customize it. For a little heat, try adding a small dash of cayenne pepper. If you enjoy a more savory profile, a teaspoon of finely minced garlic can be a wonderful addition. Fresh herbs, such as 1 teaspoon of chopped dill or chives, also provide a lovely, bright flavor. Feel free to adjust the amount of honey or mustard to achieve your preferred balance of sweet and tangy. Once your delicious honey mustard dressing is complete, proper storage is key to enjoying it for days. Transfer the dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week. Before each use, give it a good whisk to re-emulsify any separated ingredients and restore its creamy texture. This versatile dressing is perfect over fresh salads, as a marinade for chicken, or even as a tasty dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.